Assalamu alaikum, welcome to TechPod. Today we are introducing shadcn UI component in Next.js app. This is basically a shadcn UI website where you can visit and you can check documents from here. First of all, we check the introduction of our shadcn UI. What it is. shadcn UI is a set of beautifully designed, accessible component and a code distributed platform works with your favorite framework and AI models, open source, open code. So basically, shadcn UI is open source and open code, and it is the library where you can make components easy, be simpler and efficient. You don't have to make a component from scratch. These are the built-in components for shadcn UI, like according error, error dialog, aspect ratio, character, and many other components that you can use in your Next.js application. So now comes to your documents, not here. So don't worry. Okay, want to do it on header. So we paste it this. So this sheet is basically our navbar menu bar. Come here, documents, and come here and click Next.js. And first of all, you need to install it on your application. So for that, we are using npm. So we copy the code and paste it here. So basically here, shadcn is initializing in our project. This is the latest shadcn UI. We type 5 to proceed. You can select any color, neutral, gray, then stone. I am selecting neutral. So basically, to make it compatible with our Next.js, you have to use one of the following command. Use force or use legacy to work with our Nexus app. I'm using use force. This installing dependencies or packages need to work with chassis and UI components. So our shared same UI is initialized here. What is second command? Second command is that the component we need to install. Here I am not using this command because I don't want to install button, but I want to work with sheet. So find sheet here, or you can search here. This is the sheet component. Sheet component basically work as a menu bar for your navbar for mobile applications. To make it navbar, to make navbar responsive to mobile, we use sheet component from shadcn UI, and it is easy in making our navbar by ourselves. So what we have to do is check it what it is. It is like that when we click on open, it will open our menu bar here. So we can close it, and we want to do it on our nextjs project. For that we come to code and check it what we need to copy. First of all, we have to install this. For installing sheet in our nextjs app, we have to copy this command and paste it. Again, select course to install the packages we need for sheet. So you can see created one file in src components UI sheet. Check here in components, there is a UI component and there is a sheet component that we will use in our app. So what's next? These are components. We want these four things. Software. Description. what we are on. How we are present, what we do want to do now. We want to give name. We can give name, but we don't want to give name. We don't want to give input. We don't want to give username, or we don't want to give footer. So now what is this? We don't know. We don't use this. Go ahead, better define it. Also, it's there. Or when we are opening this, we are showing. What we want to do, make it for mobile. So, so what we want to show this navbar same as before on desktop screen, and when we come to the mobile screen, we want this menu bar. So what we can do for that? This is our code, and this is our navbar for desktop screen. And we have to use two tailwind classes here. That is hidden and basically our nextjs is by default for mobile screen responsive. The design is basically made for mobile first approach. So when we use hidden class, so the navbar is hidden for our mobile screen. When we use MD class and use flex display, so when we come to a desktop screen, it will display our navbar links that is about home and content. But what we want our mobile menu hidden for our desktop screen. So what we want, we use this div tag, and in this div tag, we place our sheet text and whatever we are written to display our menu bar in our sheet. And in this we are using the class hidden. So when we come to our desktop screen, it will hide it, and when we are on our mobile screen, it will show our menu bar with the following details like we have written the description and showing the links and showing our logo for the title. We can hide it. If we don't want to use it, we can just write code for the title. Last one, fun board. So when we come to our mobile screen, open this is portfolio and showing this. You can also use this icon to show. This is the basic implementation of shadcn UI component, that is sheet component for our portfolio application with Next.js. Thank you for today. We come with different components in our next videos. Allah Hafiz.